friends, it's My Dreams Club. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be seeing how many garments I can upcycle in one single day. So yeah, right now it's 4 a.m. We got a long day ahead of us. I haven't freaking upcycled anything with my sewing machine in quite a while, so it's gonna be interesting, gonna be fun. So yeah, please like and comment on this video. Let me know what you think of this video, if I should do more videos like this, and please subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate the support. So let's get into the video. Update. I don't even want to give this update. I am finishing 0 garments today. I was working on mine and the thread caught on here and then it snapped the only needle that I have right now. So epic fail today. 0 garments made with this challenge. Yeah, not a success. But we'll have to try again. I'll have to put up a part 2 once I get those needles in, a new needle for my sewing machine. I can't believe I did that today. Like literally no garments made. Like I knew I could do this, and then here I am with like millions of problems on my machine this morning. I was kind of freaking crashing out a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to not miss the next video. But please also like and comment on this video. I'd love to know your thoughts and what you think. I know it was an epic fail, but should I do more videos like this? I would love to know. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.